Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about email alerts actions in Process Builder. Firstly, log into your Salesforce account and go to Setup. After that, add and in Quick Find, search here Process Builder. After that, click here New. Name of process is Account Email Alert. The process starts when a record changes. Save this. After that, add your object. Object name is account. After that, save this. After that, add your criteria. Criteria name is email alert on account. After that, select your criteria for executing actions. Here I am select conditions are met when field is account rating equals to, here I am select cold. Save this. After that, add your actions email alerts. Add, add your action name account email alert creation. After that, add your email alerts. Firstly, in quick find, search here email template. And create here custom email template by using this option email template. After that, in quick find, search here email alerts. After that, create here email alerts. Here I am create previously. Write here email alerts name. Here I am select thanks for registration. This email alert. After that, save this and activate this process builder. Email alert action process builder is successfully activated. After that, in app launcher, search here account. After that, click here new. Account name is test 2. Rating is cold. After that, save this. Account was successfully created. After that, open your Gmail. You got the mail from Salesforce. Thank you for registering. Yeah. In this way, we can create email alerts in Process Builder. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.